Check her out, camping fan. But I think you could use it for anything. Let's go ahead and we'll unbox this bad boy and see what we got here. Ow, that hurt my fingernail. All right, pop it out. Okay. All right off the bat, you've got your instructions. You want to hang on to those. It does come with, it looks like USB-C to USB-C to charge it. Set that over there. And then I think this is it right here. That will pull out. Here we go. We're unveiling it. There she is. Take a look. All right, let's get her out of here. Prophylactic. Oh, there. Wow. Interesting. Look at this thing. All right, so we're going to probably have to charge it. It might have a charge on it. Seems to have like a tape thing here. Let's get that. Oh, look. I don't know what that is. Let me set it down for a second. This is, apparently it goes over that. I don't know why. All right, so as you can see, it does, I think it moves around. Oh, look, on the back, check it out. It does come with a remote, and it's got a little handy area that it sits in. Set that down for a second. Let's take a look at the remote. Okay, so when you get these remotes, usually there's a little tab here that you've got to pull. And once you pull that, now you can use the remote. So now we're going to find out if it works. Here's where you got a USB-A and a USB-C. Let's see, look at this closer, what it says here. It says this fan has a built-in fast charging module that supports 18-watt max fast charging. All right, well, that's good to know. Let's see if it's got a charge in it. All right, we're going to set her down. And I think if we press this middle part, and bam. Oh, wow. It's definitely blowing. We can go up, I think, here. See? I'm pressing this to go up. We just put her like that. Yeah. And then you can go down by pressing here. So it does have a charge with it. I think you turn it off by clicking here. All right, so that's good. And then what is this? What is this on the bottom? All right, these are controls. These are your, I guess, your manual controls. And so I can turn it on. Let me set the remote down. I guess I can turn it on here. Yeah. And I can turn it up just by twisting this. And I can turn it down by twisting this and turn it off. And that's basically your situation. Now look, it does have this. Let's turn it on. Oh, okay, so we get movement. So if you want to turn the light on, you go here, click that, turns it on. If you want to turn it off, you click here. All right, so let's see what these other ones are doing. So this has got a clock thing on it. I'm not sure what that means. I think this is the movement. So if I press this, oh, that stops it. All right, so this starts and stops it. And I think it'll stop when it, oh yeah, it stopped. It should stop right there. Apparently it doesn't. Oh, there we go. So I guess it only stops at certain spots. There we go. All right, and let's increase it again. Wow, that's some good air. So here it is, right? Check it out. Turn it up. I'm getting blown. And trying different modes. Let's get it to move. Ready? There she goes. So this would be a good like desk fan. You know what I mean? Put it on your desk, keep you cool. Definitely has some good air coming out of it. Let's go back. Let's see if it stops when I do this. So this function is kind of weird because it's not stopping for some reason. Oh, there, it stopped there. No, no, no. Oh, there, it stopped there. I wonder if I can just move it back. Yeah, I guess I can. Now let's see what this does. Oh, there's the light. So you got on, brighter, brightest, and then off. And I'm not sure if it twists. Oh yeah, so you can move it like this. So now you can do it, you know, straight up if you want. So it does have the ability to, that's manually, done manually. But yeah, what do you guys think? If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.